Hey everybody, if you ever have to remove a gas tank, truck, or car, use ratchet straps. Sometimes it's difficult, and I find that if you use ratchet straps, wooden blocks, and a transmission jack to help you with the work, it's a lot easier and safer. The ratchet straps, you can just throw it around the frame of the vehicle, avoid brake lines and anything sensitive, and it allows you to just simply ratchet the thing up. Same thing with that transmission jack there. I had that for years. I got it from Harbor Freight. But as you can see, you still have play. You can still wiggle the thing and move it around if you have it suspended with the ratchet straps, and that helps you undo the hoses and the connections and everything. And you can have the transmission jack in the middle or on the ends. It has wheels, you can move it around. It's easy to adjust because a lot of times people, they need to drop a gas tank and they don't know how, and maybe something could fall on them or whatever. So just be careful. Let the transmission jack, the blocks, and the ratchet strap do the work to avoid injuring yourself. And you can adjust that just by using a ratchet like you see here. Nothing major, nothing difficult. So just be smart. And as you unplug the hoses or the whatever you need to do, you can adjust the height. And you can use the same method to um, raise the fuel tank back up into place. So, and I did this with, by myself. I didn't have another person to help me. And this is an F-150. So this is just a tip. It's not like a how to or anything. And then so you have the thing suspended. You can put in your brackets that hold it up and everything. You can put your bolts back in and get everything going like you need it. Ratchet straps, a transmission jack if you have one, and wooden blocks. And you can always adjust the wooden blocks by putting boards on top of them for more or less height if you need to adjust the height. But I did it this way. It worked for me. I just thought I would share this with you. I don't want anybody out there getting hurt. So just try this. If you need to lower a gas tank and put it back in, you see how everything works like that? No issues. And again, the transmission jack is on wheels, so you can move it where you need to and have the thing suspended with the straps. God bless. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.